back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of best modern exterior vertical garden design and tips for revolutionizing home decor with modern vertical garden ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Modern vertical gardens are the perfect way to add life and color to any space. These unique gardens are created by growing plants vertically, using walls or freestanding structures. They not only look stunning but also provide a number of benefits such as improving air quality, reducing stress, and increasing productivity. But what makes a garden modern? It's not just the design, but also the approach. Modern gardens are all about simplicity, minimalism, and functionality. They are designed to be both aesthetically pleasing and practical, with a focus on sustainability and environmental friendliness. One of the most famous designers of vertical gardens is Patrick Blanc, a French botanist and artist who pioneered the concept of vertical gardens in the 1980s. His innovative designs have been featured in many high-profile locations around the world, including the Kay Branly Museum in Paris and the One Central Park in Sydney. So, what plants are best for vertical gardens? The answer depends on the specific conditions of the garden, such as the amount of sunlight, humidity, and temperature. However, some popular choices include ferns, succulents, herbs, and even fruits and vegetables. It's important to choose plants that are well suited to the environment and can thrive in a vertical planter. To modernize a garden, there are a few key elements to consider. First, choose a minimalist and streamlined design with clean lines and neutral colors. Second, incorporate sustainable and eco-friendly features, such as rainwater harvesting or composting. Third, add functional elements such as seating or lighting to make the garden a usable space. Now, let's explore some of the best modern vertical garden ideas to inspire your own creation. 1. Succulent wall art. Create a stunning living wall using colorful succulents arranged in a geometric pattern. 2. Edible garden. Grow your own herbs, fruits, and vegetables in a vertical planter for a sustainable and delicious addition to your home. 3. Living room divider. Use a freestanding vertical garden as a natural divider between rooms, adding both privacy and beauty. 4. Vertical herb garden. A simple and practical way to add fresh herbs to your kitchen, using a vertical planter mounted on the wall. 5. Artistic feature wall. Create a living work of art with a vertical garden that combines different plant colors and textures in a unique pattern. 6. Outdoor oasis. Use a vertical garden to transform a small balcony or patio into a lush outdoor oasis, complete with seating and lighting. 7. Air purifying wall. Choose plants that are known for their air purifying properties, such as snake plants or peace lilies, and create a natural air filter for your home. 8. Tropical paradise. Bring a touch of the tropics to your home with a vertical garden featuring palm trees, ferns, and other exotic plants. 9. Hanging garden. Create a whimsical and enchanting vertical garden by suspending plants in macrame or hanging baskets. 10. Vertical garden sculpture. Turn your garden into a work of art with a vertical garden that doubles as a sculptural installation. Modern vertical gardens are a unique and exciting way to add beauty and nature to any space. With the right design, plants, and approach, they can be a functional and sustainable addition to your home. So why not try your hand at creating your own stunning vertical garden today? Incorporating a modern vertical garden into your home or office can be a fun and rewarding project. Not only do these gardens add beauty and interest to your space, but they also provide a number of health and wellness benefits. Whether you choose to create a small herb garden in your kitchen or a large-scale living wall in your living room, there are endless possibilities for designing and customizing your vertical garden. As you embark on your own modern vertical garden project, remember to consider factors such as plant selection, lighting, irrigation, and maintenance. With a little bit of research and planning, you can create a stunning and sustainable garden that will delight and inspire for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of modern vertical gardening today and discover the endless possibilities for bringing nature indoors in a unique and exciting way. And remember, Homes Decor Designs is always here to provide inspiration, guidance, and support as you embark on your gardening journey. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of modern exterior vertical garden design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.